Hey, going to do a quick video swapping out this battery pack for this Dell Inspiron laptop. The battery comes with a couple small screwdrivers, a very small Torx head, and a very small Phillips head. Let's see if that'll get the job done or not. Okay, with a little finagling, off it comes. And then there are 4 screws holding the battery itself in. You might want to keep track of which are which. Alright, just pulls out. It's a little snug. Put the new battery in. Dress the wire a little bit and start putting the screws back in. Short one goes there. And that's all there is to it. Okay, I downloaded an app that tests the battery capacity and health. I did screenshots and stuck them together here so you could do a quick overview. This is the old battery information on the left here and the new battery information on the right. You can see that the battery capacity, the design capacity on both is 42,000 milliwatt hours. And you can see the old battery, the fully charged capacity was down to just 26.7 thousand milliwatt hours. And over here you can see it's at 40, just over 40 milliwatt hours, just about 100% there. The battery health it's showing on the new battery at 95.5. The old battery was 63.7. Honestly, I don't think it was that good. The battery was would go dead very quickly. So without doing a comprehensive deep discharge on this thing, it sure looks like the new battery is going to be much better than the old one, which is to be expected, and very quick, easy change. So I'd call this a win, folks.